Next, function declaration and function expression. Let's see what was the difference between those two. So function declaration means a function is created with the name using the function keyword, right? So let's see with an example. So first we have to give the function, the keyword function, and then the name of the function. I'll say the name of the function is hello, for example. So we can keep whatever we want to, right? So I'll just console.log of hello. So this was my function and I will call the function at the end. Okay, so node index.js. So here just the keyword function. For the function declaration, first the keyword function will be there and then the name of the function, and you can give whatever you want to give in this, right? And then at last you have to call the function, right? So let's run the code. So here you can see hello has printed. Okay, so let's see with I mean a comma b. I was taking two variables a comma b, and for those two variables I was giving 2 comma 3 as the values. So console.log of, I want it to print a plus b, right? So let's see. So here you can see a plus b has printed. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? So you can give the parameters. These are called the parameters. A and b were the parameters, and its values I have taken in while calling the function. Okay, so for example, if I took here itself, for example 3 I'll take, and for here I'll take 5. Let's see what will happen. So here you can see 5 has printed. Why? Even though you take the values here, for these values the sum has been printed because these will replace by these. Okay, so for example I did not mention any values here. In calling function I did not mention any values. So here you can see these are called keyword arguments actually. So for the variable directly, if you give the value while declaring the function, they are called the keyword arguments basically. So these will get executed. If we did not write any values here while calling the function, these will get executed. If we write anything here, these values will be replaced by these values which were in the calling function, right? So that's what. Next, you can call the function before declaring the function also. So let's see that. So for the function declaration you can hoist the values, I mean hoist so here I have called the function hello. Hello, I have called the function hello. You have to take the semicolons in JavaScript actually. So took, I'll just remove these values and I'll say good morning, good morning. Sorry. Okay, good morning. So I have called the function before declaring the function. Actually, in function declarations, it is possible. So the functions in function declarations, the functions can be hoisted, right? So you can see here, good morning has printed. That means you can also, I mean, call the function before declaring the function, right? In function declaration only. Now let's look about the function expression. Okay, function expression means you a function will be stored in the variable. Okay, a function will be stored in the variable and it can be anonymous also. Anonymous is nothing but no name. No name for the function, right? Const, I was taking the name of the variable as hello is equals to, here I was declaring the function console.log of welcome, welcome home. Okay, welcome, whatever. So like this, and you can call the function. So here you can see welcome. So this is the function expression. Function expressions, we we will give the value, I mean, we will give the functions as a value to the variable. Okay, this is the variable, right? I've used the keyword const here for the variable, hello. So you can give whatever you want to. I've gave hello here. So I have gave the value of hello as a function. It was a function expression. So this function will be stored in a variable. Okay. So that's what. Next, you can also give a arguments here. Yes, you can also give the arguments here. So a plus b, and the values of a plus b were, I mean, ab were 2 3. So here you can see 5 got printed, right? So, and then here the thing is, you can't, okay, let me just remove these and let me just keep hello only, and let me just remove these also. So here I will just, for the function, when for the function declaration, I have kept the calling function in the top right before declaring the function. But in function expressions you can't do that, we will get the error here. So you can't call the function before you declare the function. I mean, you know, if before declaring the function you can't call the function, so you will get the error here. Let's see. So here you can see we got the error. So cannot access hello before initialization. Hello means here the name of the function, I mean the name of the variable. Okay, expression we have wrote, right? So you can't call the, you can't access that. Okay, for the function expressions. For the function declaration you can do that, you can call the function before you declare the function, right? This is the difference between the function declaration and function expression.